Hello guys and girls and welcome back to our channel. Hope you're enjoying this video guide on how to recover permanently deleted files on Windows 10. So far, accidentally deleting files you have from your Windows computer is an annoying thing. And how do you recover those deleted files? Here we're gonna tell you 3 recovery methods to get your Windows 10 files back, like photos, videos, documents and many more, to the local drive. Depending on how you deleted your files, you might be able to recover them from the recycle bin, a third-party recovery tool, as well as file history backup. Okay, let us begin with the easiest recovery solution of recovering deleted files from the Windows 10 recycle bin. The recycling bin is always the first place to look into wherever we deleted a file. Alright, double-click recycle bin icon on your desktop, and you will see the files there that you've ever deleted from the hard drive. Simply locate and select the photo, video, document or anything else you want to bring back. Right-click the selection and choose Restore. Any recovered file will return to the original location before getting deleted. To make things easier, you guys can drag the files from the recycle bin to the computer's desktop. That's great if you can restore the deleted files from recycling bin. The problem is that the deleted items are longer residing in the bin, and I think some of you guys may empty the recycle bin and anything removed permanently. If that's your case, then maybe I can show you the next one, which is going to be especially helpful when it comes to recovering permanently deleted files in Windows 10 PC or laptop. And this time, we've involving the dedicated file recovery software called AppGeeker Data Recovery. It's one of the popular data recovery applications that is designed to perform recovery for deleted files on any Windows computer, so anyone can get back image, video, audio, various kinds of documents, email and so on. Now go to appgeeker.com. Click Products on the navigation bar at the top, and then choose Data Recovery for PC or Mac under Data Recovery. Click Windows Download button to get it on your computer. Remember here, don't download the software to the same drive where your deleted files are originally stored, or you will overwrite those deleted stuff and render it unrecoverable. For example, you deleted the file from drive C, then you need to install the software onto drive D or other locations. Now, launch Data Recovery on your Windows 10 computer. You will see an intuitive interface with 3 headers. Check all file types, hard disk drives, and recycle bin. Alright, select what file are deleted from Windows 10's drive and now you want to recover it. By default, all types of files are selected. But here, I want to recover a deleted photo, so I tick the tiny box for image. Depending on what lost files you need to retrieve, you can check audio, video, email, document, others. Then, select the drive to recover files from. Here, as an example, I check Windows C drive. You can also choose Recycle bin as the location to retrieve files deleted from after empty. Now click the Scan button at the bottom right corner. This is going to initiate the scan around the drive. The software is going to display all of the deleted photos on its interface and group them by image format like JPG, PNG, and so on. You're able to preview the files before they're getting recovered. If you do not see your deleted files you need, don't worry for that. You guys click the Deep Scan button at the upper right of the screen to let the program do a thorough search. This will take a few minutes. Alright. The last step is to pick the files you want to bring back and hit the Recover button. When prompted, specify a location, and click the Recover button once again to save the restored files to your desired folder. So that's all. That's simple to recover lost or deleted files from Windows 10. Even you removed them from the recycle bin. The method number 3 will be focus on your file history backup. That is going to recover the files that have been permanently deleted on Windows 10 by restoring the file history backup. But the premise is that you need to enable the file history feature to backup up your computer to an external drive before the file deletion. Let's do this right now. On your Windows 10 computer, right-click the Start button and select Search. In the search field, type, "Restore your files with file history." Click Documents at the top, and open it. A window should open, allowing you to view your backup files and restore your files. If you've set up File History Backup, you will see the backup listed out. In case you never done this, this won't be your recovery option when it comes to retrieving the files you deleted permanently. You'll need to return to the previous two methods above. As you can see, I have activated the File History function and created the backup of my computer prior to the files were deleted. You could use the left-right button at the bottom to browse to the backup based to the date and find the one containing the deleted files to be restored. Once you verify the backup, find the lost files in the folder it was placed and select each one for undeleting. When you're ready to restore the file to Windows 10 computer, hit the green Restore icon to get it back to its original location. Note that this will replace the current version of the item, and if you want this happen, right-click Restore icon, choose Restore to and appoint a different path to save the recovered stuff. Okay, let's navigate to the path to validate the recovered file. As you can see, I've successfully recovered my deleted file. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop your comments below and I'll respond to you. Please like and subscribe if you've done already. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.